Okay, in this video we're going to show Forex traders how to get live trading capital in a fully funded Forex trading account from up to 10 different providers. There's a new market sector that's been growing over the last couple of years, and it's the sector of the Forex market, Forex trading industry that provides capital. So Forex traders can get live capital and a fully funded trading account from various providers. There are companies that provide capital. Here's a list of many of the companies. There's links to these three providers, but all of these companies provide capital to Forex traders. And then you can also look in other places, like just do Google searches and go to LinkedIn. But based on all these capital providers, some of which have been in business more than 5 years, you can qualify for a live trading account, and they'll also cover your losses, which is fantastic. So how much capital is available? You can get up to $1 million in buying power. That's after leverage in US dollar, and they'll also provide capital in euros, capitalized account. So if you get in a $5,000 account, most of these capital providers have 100-to-1 leverage. Even if you're inside the USA, you can get 100-to-1. That would be $500,000 in currency buying power for trading, for your trading account. So you can get your account funded in euros or US dollars. Just one provider in the calendar year 2019, they provided 1,700 accounts with funding. That's just one provider out of the entire group. So there might be around 10,000 accounts being funded year after year, and that's a lot of money available for Forex traders. Now, a lot of these capital providers, or all of them, charge some type of a fee. Some charge a monthly fee. There's a range depending on how much capital you ask for, and some of them charge just like a one-time fee. In the range of it's in the range of $500 to $600. It's a one-time fee, though, to obtain a pretty large, substantial amount of capital, $200,000 to $1 million. So ask each provider what their fees are and how much capital they're going to provide. To qualify for the live trading capital, you can open up a demo account and trade on your own for a while. When you think you have the procedures down, then you apply for the capital, and then you have to follow the capital provider's rule. They have daily loss limits, drawdown rules, and guidelines, and all of them are published on their website. So all of these capital providers, check their website and then start to look to see what programs you might be interested in. The good news is that you can qualify for funding in as little as 1 day just by doing a couple of positive trades. It depends on what capital provider you're working with. Now, how to get even more capital? You can start with a small amount of capital on a small program and increase the amount of capital they give you quickly. So if you increase your account balance by only 10%, if you start with a $5,000 trading account and you just increase the account balance 10%, they're going to double the amount of capital you have available. So you can go from 500,000 in buying power to $1 million in buying power USD after leverage quickly. With just you can do this with one trade, with one swing trade. Increase your account balance 10%. And remember, they cover all your losses too, so this is great news for Forex traders who have a lot of skills but don't really have a lot of capital to work with. The profit splits, the range is 50-50 to 80-20. 80-20 is very generous. Now, some capital providers, they have like a one-time fee, so their profit split is lower. The folks that have monthly fees, they give you a higher profit split. One capital provider, Top Step FX, you get to keep 100% of your first $5,000 in profits. So this is pretty good way to build an account quickly if you're a pretty good trader. All of the capital providers have drawdown limits. In other words, if you're given an account, you can only draw it down so far before they'll cancel the account. And it's really quite a big range. I mean, 1% seems really too tight, but 10% seems too generous, or seems way too generous, but that's the range. So they all have drawdown limits, and it could be a daily drawdown limit or a weekly or total drawdown. So once again, go to these capital providers' websites, check out what their drawdown limits are, either monthly or daily, to make sure you understand what the drawdown limit is compared to the high balance in the account or amount of capital provided. Now, trading platform. Most of them are going to give you a MetaTrader platform, but some of them make sure they have a trading platform that you're familiar with. If you're used to trading on MetaTrader 4, make sure they have that platform available. Also, we suggest getting a capital provider that will give you as many pairs as possible of the 8 major currencies. 28 is the maximum on these currencies. All 28 would give you the best opportunity to have more pairs to trade, therefore more opportunities to increase the account size and qualify for more capital. So check the number of pairs that they're allowing you to trade. Some capital providers offer really expensive trading programs. You don't need that. Just click on this link right here, and you can go to the Forex Early Warning website, and you got your 35 illustrated Forex lessons right here. We'll teach you how to trade at no cost. So if you can get all of the education free, plus get someone to provide your capital, all you need to do is be a pretty skilled Forex trader, and you can do great things and build a huge trading account with successful trading. Now, some of the capital providers don't let you hold trades over the weekend or even overnight. This is really bad. Make sure you understand that you want to be able to hold trades as long as you need to. If a pair is in an uptrend or a downtrend, you want to be able to hold on to that trade. We think this is bad, so check out this criteria with the various capital providers. Some capital providers even have a free trial, and you can prove up your skills in there if you like. All right, so here's an infographic, tells you all about it. Forex traders, thousands of Forex traders receive funded accounts every year, probably around, could be around 10,000, and the number's probably going up year after year. Around 10 companies provide funding, including some private entities. The profit split is 50 to 80%. If you have trading losses, they cover all your losses. You can get up to $1 million in funding, and you can qualify for capital through their qualification programs in as little as 1 day. Also, you can use the Forex Early Warning trading system for 28 pairs. The training is free, and Forex Early Warning is only $19.95 a month. You can get a Forex trading business off the ground quickly with these resources. So what type of trader would want to apply for capital? Well, first of all, you need to have a trading system, and you have to make consistent positive trades when you use it week after week. So if you're a good Forex trader but you lack capital, you can click on this link here. This will tell you about our Forex trading rules that we have. And we'll give you the trading system with all the knowledge. But one thing you want to do, if you're a rookie trader and you have very little experience, don't apply for one of these programs. You're not ready. You need to set up a demo account and get positive trades going consistently. Then you can apply for the funding, and it's more than likely you'll get a lot of funding. If you're seeking capital and you need a profitable trading system, we're going to suggest the Forex Early Warning Trading System. We have accurate signaling systems like this is called the Forex Heatmap. You can learn more about it here. But this is a real-time signaling system. It's very logical, and you can get those real low drawdown entries and get profitable trades. And with tools like this, you can get funding quickly and additional funding if you have an accurate trading system, and we have a great one at Forex Early Warning. And we have great tools like this, the Forex Heatmap. Heatmap works for 8 different currencies and 28 pairs. Very simple and powerful, easy for beginners to understand. Remember, you need to have a trading system you really like and enjoy to start applying for funding. All right, so here's the conclusions we have. Any funding program that offers a fully funded trading account and also covers your losses, it sounds like a great offer. Just make sure that if you don't have any capital and you apply for one of these programs, make sure you already have your trading skills in place. Look at their fee structure and drawdown rules and make sure you understand what they're giving you and what your requirements are. Make sure you get everything in writing, especially the ongoing drawdown limits in your funded account. So if you're a Forex trader, but you're a good trader, but you lack some funding or live capital to fund a trading account, you can now get live capital from all of these providers here, and we'll give you the trading system you need to trade with at forexearlywarning.com.